Good afternoon, Stampin' Crew. I am here to share with you this month's paper pumpkin kit. I am so excited about this kit. This is their 6-year anniversary. So you get a gift, a birthday gift from them. And yeah, I'm so excited. I love this box though. This is a beautiful box. And the theme is Poppin' Birthday. And let's go ahead and open it. So many ways to use. You have a free stamp set in here. And this is the free stamp set. How amazing is that? The balloon, the numbers. I have nothing like this, and I'm so excited to use it. And I'm excited to come up with different ways to use this. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But it's not. So here is the gift that you get. Now you also get, and let me find something to put behind this. Let me grab this here. This should work. And it does. Here is the stamp set. It says, "Today we celebrate you. It's your," and then it says, "Happy birthday." You have the candle, you have the confetti, and you have the hat. What a nice set of stamps. I can't wait to use those. You also get, this month, you get the Parade Poppy Stampin' Spot. And it's not going to focus. But there is your Stampin' Spot. I don't have this color. Excuse me. So I'm excited about using that. They always wrap their kits in this amazing tissue paper, which I love using for things. And we are going to open this and see what this kit is. And oh my goodness. They are the 3D pop-out cards. I am excited. Let's get right into this. Now, I will not be doing a video today. I will be doing a video on making these cards. I don't think I will do an alternative for this. I don't know yet. But I am excited about making these. I need to make more cards. Although cards is not my deal. But, you know, it doesn't hurt to have cards on hand. So, I think that is what I'm going to do with this. Okay, with this, you get, and we have our little instruction sheet here. And this sheet tells us what you get, how much of it, instructions on how to make it. Usually they have a ruler on the inside, and they do. So, you get the Poppin' Birthday stamp set. You get your ink spot. You get 50 adhesive dies, 5.5 yards of the adhesive roll, the double-sided tape, and you get 144 dimensionals. I love these dimensionals. You also get, just a moment. Okay, I'm sorry about that. You get 6 die cut. I can't even pronounce the name of it, but you have your die cuts here. You have your flags. These are 6 white labels. You have these here, your little flags. You have, well, I'm just going to go through this. You have your envelopes already pre-made. These are, I wonder if they're all the same or if they're different on the inside. I think they are. Yeah. You have your yellow stripes. You have your polka dots. And there is, this makes 8 cards. So you have your envelopes. You have your candles that you add in on your cards here. So you have 2 sheets of them. They already have the double-sided tape on them. So just a moment, please. Okay, my kid's just a little excited about getting ice cream. So you already have the double-sided tape on this, so all you do is just take it off and put it on your card. Again, I will do a video on putting one of these cards together. I'm just showing it right now. Here is your pre-cut pop-out inserts. So they're already scored. All you gotta do is just fold it and then put it into your card bases here as I'm dropping everything on the floor. So you have striped card bases, and you have your polka dots, which I absolutely love this, but I'm loving the gray too. So these are really going to be cute cards. You have your number pop outs. You have 2 sheets of each. You have the polka dots, and you have the confetti. These are just like, you know, your numbers 1 through 10. And you get to put those inside your card or on your banner, whichever you decide. You also have these pop outs here, little flags and stuff to put on your cards. I have a picture. I will show you that as well. And you have some bows and party hats. This is really a cute set. I'm really excited about doing this. I love making pop-out cards. I'm not the best at it. And this is just going to make it easier and a lot more fun. And actually probably help me learn to make them on my own. So let's go ahead and put these here. Since, you know, I like throwing things on the floor. And like I said, here is your card bases. I love the fact that they have everything coordinated. I love that they have everything pre-scored, and all you got to do is just put it together. Now, here is 2 examples of the cards that you can make, and that is like the inside of it. I love this paper because, you know, not only does it tell you what's in the kit, shows you a couple examples, it tells you coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors, so you can, you know, you want to make these or you have extras, which usually you do have extras, you can go and just make another card of some sort, you know, and this will tell you all the colors for, you know, that coordinate with this kit. It also tells you how to use your stamp, to peel and stick, stamp and create, and share and repeat. It tells you how to clean and store your stamps as well. It also, on the inside, it shows you step-by-step instructions on how to do your card. I love the fact there's a ruler down here below. That way you can do all your measurements if you don't have a ruler, but I'm pretty sure most of us crafters do have them. But there is a ruler down below as well. And on the front, of course, it shows you examples there, you know, what to do, what you can do with the numbers, the bows, all of that. This is an amazing kit. Excuse me. That I am so excited about using and creating these cards. I have birthdays coming up, and this is just perfect. Absolutely perfect. And these stamps. These, I already have ideas for the 3 of something different to make. But this is an amazing set. And to get such a wonderful gift from Paper Pumpkin is just absolutely awesome. So if you are interested in subscribing to our Paper Pumpkin, which if you're a new crafter, paper crafter, excuse me. Okay, if you are new to paper crafting, this is the perfect way to build your stash. Let's scoot these down. To build your stash, to get started with stamps and your inks and all of that. This is only $20 a month. I think it's like $21 or $22 with shipping. Anyway, you know, you can't get these stamps for less than that. So it would just be perfect for anybody. And I'm so happy if, I got anything, is the paper pumpkin. I absolutely love it. And everything's just coordinated for you. You have everything you need all in one kit. So if you're interested in this, I have my links down below to subscribe to our paper pumpkin. There's no obligations. If you get it 1 month and the next month you're like, I really can't do it, you can always suspend for that month and then pick it up the next. And you can also cancel at any time as well. But this, trust me, you get one, you're going to want to get them all the time. These are absolutely amazing, amazing kits. So, like I said, my links are down below. I hope you enjoyed this video of the opening of this amazing, amazing paper pumpkin kit for March. Like I said, I will do another video showing how to put this together. And I hope you guys stay tuned to it. Any extras I have, you know me, I always use them in other projects that I'm excited about trying to do and create with whatever I have extra here. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a great day. And as always, I leave you with a goodbye, a God bless, and I'll see you again soon.